Alright, taking the kayaks out. We smoked the bluegill last time, but of course the audio sucked. You've probably seen that video by now. So we're going to try it again. Different camera enclosure, so hopefully you can hear me this time and I won't have to dub it over with free music. I'll check back in when I catch fish. Alright, starting strong. Spin the kayak so y'all can see. Get that in front of y'all. Yeah. Nice little bluegill. Got her straight down. We're gonna have to keep that guy. He swallowed the hook, so he'll be one for the table. Maybe. I think I might have a little something. Bobber's moving. I got this on camera, watching them jump out there, and moved out so I can cast a little deeper. I got one. However, it was a little slow on the draw, so this one gutted that hook right down. We're gonna have to keep this one and perform a minor surgery on it. Something's dancing with my bobber. Play it. There we go. Man, I sure hope this is recording. Bringing in another one. Woo! Not bad. Elite. Going for a quantity over quality sort of situation today. Don't hook me. Oh, tricked me twice. Crap itches. Camera left over there either just wailing on them or she found a grass bass. I said, you're over there either just wailing on them or you found a good grass bass. Grass bass. She said some excuse I didn't hear. She's doing alright. She's screwing around. Not taking this serious enough. Ooh, bobber's doing some dancing already. Just casted it out and there we go. That's why I love fishing bluegill. You never get bored going after panfish. The only thing that sucks is sometimes I keep doing that. This guy would have thrown back had he not good at the hook, but whatever. Tater chips, and I'm not violating wanting the waist law. one worked. Not sure what I caught. Be a little largemouth. That's what I'm thinking it is. Actually, whew, it's almost decent. Almost decent. I don't think you're gonna go 14 though, are you, bud? I think you're gonna be maybe 12. Camera wife, of course, stole my pliers. Because she's not responsible enough to bring her own. Oh, this is gonna get interesting. I'll tell you what, he's tiny, but it was fun. Let him go. All that 10 inches of joy. Off you go, little buddy. Get to scratch him on the dome a little bit. Well, let's try it. At this point, I've caught enough fish. Granted, the camera actually works correct. I'm just gonna go back to screwing around. I got about 15, 16 fish, which is really as much as I want to clean at this point. It is a school night, but I gotta find my wife. Might screw around a little bit more, troll around, but I don't know. It's been a pretty good day. Bring these up for you. So, yeah, I'm happy with that. So, thanks for watching. Click subscribe.